Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your QR code in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Shein app. And here, it opens up in the shop menu. From here, you just go into the Me menu, tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on your name, and tap on my QR code. And here we have our QR code. We can use this in the physical shops to make sure that our account is verified when we are buying something, and maybe we can get a discount with this as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.